Discover the anime series that deliver consistent excellence from start to finish. No filler, no fluff, just pure, captivating episodes that keep you hooked every single time. Let's dive in. Number 10. Spy X Family. Spy X Family follows the story of Lloyd Forger, a master spy codenamed Twilight, who must create a fake family to infiltrate an elite school and prevent a political conflict. He adopts Anya as his daughter and marries Yor, an assassin, unaware of their true identities. As they navigate their double lives, they form genuine bonds while maintaining their secrets. The series blends action, comedy, and heartwarming moments, emphasizing the importance of family and trust, even when built on deception. Number 9. Another. Another is a chilling anime about Koichi Sakakibara, a transfer student to Yomiyama North Middle School. He quickly notices a strange, fearful atmosphere among his classmates. They seem to ignore a mysterious eye-patch wearing girl named Mei Misaki, whom Koichi befriends despite warnings. Koichi learns about a curse hunting class 33, stemming from the death of a student named Misaki 26 years ago. The curse leads to the death of students and their family members. The story is a blend of horror and mystery, exploring themes of death, memory, and the supernatural, culminating in a suspenseful and tragic conclusion. Number 8. One Punch Man. One Punch Man follows Saitama, an unassuming man who becomes a hero for fun. After rigorous training, he gains the ability to defeat any opponent with a single punch. Despite his immense power, Saitama struggles with boredom and a lack of recognition. He joins the Hero Association to find worthy adversaries and gain respect. Alongside his cyborg disciple, Janos, Saitama encounters various heroes and monstrous threats. The anime combines thrilling action with comedic elements, creating a unique narrative that questions traditional superhero tropes while delivering visually stunning battles and character-driven storytelling. Number 7. IQ. IQ follows Shoyo Hinata, a short but determined volleyball player inspired by the Little Giant. Despite a crushing defeat in middle school, he joins Karasuno High and teams up with his rival, the talented but arrogant Tobio Kageyama. Together they form a formidable duo, combining Hinata's agility and Kageyama's precision. The series chronicles their growth, both as players and as facing off against powerful opponents, forging deep friendships and overcoming personal challenges. Krasno aims to reclaim their former glory, competing in intense matches filled with strategic plays and emotional highs. IQ captures the spirit of teamwork, perseverance, and the pursuit of greatness in the competitive world of high school volleyball. Number 6. Solo Leveling. Solo Leveling follows Jin Woo Sang, a weak and low-ranked hunter, in a world where hunters fight monsters for survival. After a near-fatal dungeon mission, Jin Woo discovers a hidden system that grants him unique abilities, allowing him to level up like in a video game. He becomes the world's strongest hunter, facing increasingly dangerous dungeons and monsters. The series combines intense action, a compelling rise to power story, and intricate world building, captivating fans with its dynamic protagonist and epic battles. Number 5. Attack on Titan. In Attack on Titan, humanity is on the brink of extinction, trapped within massive walled cities to protect themselves from giant humanoid titans. Eren Yeager, driven by vengeance after witnessing a titan devour his mother, joins the military alongside his friends Mikasa and Armin. They discover dark secrets about the titans, the walls, and their own government. Eren gains the ability to transform into a titan, becoming a key player in humanity's fight for survival. The series delves into themes of freedom, sacrifice, and the complex nature of enemies and allies. Number 4. Jujutsu Kaisen. Jujutsu Kaisen follows Yuji Itadori, a high school student who joins a secret organization of Jujutsu sorcerers to combat curses, malevolent spiritual entities born from human negativity. After consuming a powerful cursed object, the finger of the demon Sukuna, Yuji gains extraordinary abilities but also becomes Sukuna's vessel. To save the world from Sukuna's threat, Yuji must locate and consume all of Sukuna's fingers. Guided by his mentor, Satoru Gojo, and supported by classmates like Megumi and Nobara, Yuji battles dangerous curses while uncovering dark secrets about the Jujutsu world. The series combines intense action, supernatural elements, and deep emotional themes, making it a standout in modern shonen anime. Number 3. Dr. Stone. Dr. Stone is set in a world where a mysterious phenomenon petrifies all of humanity. After 3,700 years, genius teenager Senku awakens and resolves to build civilization with the power of science. Alongside his friend, he revives others, including the martial artist Tsukasa, who opposes reviving the old world's adults. This leads to a clash between Senku's kingdom of science and Tsukasa's empire of might. With allies, Senku advances technology, aiming to uncover the mystery behind the petrification and restore humanity's former glory, while facing various challenges and enemies. Number 2. Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer follows Tanjiro, a kind-hearted boy who becomes a demon slayer after his family is slaughtered by demons and his sister Nezuko is turned into one. Seeking a cure for Nezuko and revenge for his family, Tanjiro joins the Demon Slayer Corps. Alongside fellow Slayers Zenitsu and Inosuke, he battles powerful demons and learns techniques like the water breathing style. The trio faces numerous challenges, including the formidable 12 Kizuki demon serving the evil demon king Muzan Kibutsuji. The anime blends intense battles, emotional depth, and the stunning animation, culminating in a gripping tale of perseverance and hope. Number 1. Death Note. In Death Note, Light Yagami, a brilliant high school student, discovers a mysterious notebook called the Death Note, which grants him the power to kill anyone whose name he writes in it. Driven by desire to create a utopia free of crime, Light adopts the alias Kira and begins a global killing spree targeting criminals. His actions attract the attention of the genius detective known as L, leading to a high-stake game of cat and mouse as Light tries to outsmart L and maintain his fate. In the end, Light's hubris leads to his downfall as he is ultimately outwitted by L's successor and meets a tragic end. Thanks for watching. Tell me your favorite anime in the comments below. See you next time.